रघु। 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 रघु।
Oh no, the fire suit has ruptured.
रघु।
Cut!
Hey Raghu bro.
Raghu?
Hey bro.
Are you okay?
all right? Raghu, say something.
What happened, Mai? Did the call connect?
No, he has switched off his phone. I wonder where he is and what he is doing now.
Hey Mai, why are you thinking like that? I think now Raghu is least bothered about Dhanak.
If that was the case, then why would he have brought Dhanak to the hospital?
Look Mai, Raghu is a very good guy. He must have brought her just out of humanity. After admitting her over here, he must have left Dhanak to face her own fate. He may not have thought about her life or death. That's it. Then he left from here. Simple.
Raghu, wake
Raghu,
up.
get up, Raghu.
I'm okay. I am fine. Until I see that Dhanak is safe and sound, I won't die till then.
Hey, Raghu is a brave man. You have no idea how strong he is.
Sir, payment.
What kind of a person are you? Lift him up, lift him up. Easy, 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 easy. I've seen so many love stories in my life. Your love story is too unique.
My wife is unique too. A great wife. What's Aslam?
You are lucky, and she's lucky too. Aniket, bring the payment.
Yeah.
Hey, it's hurting. Hey sister, take it.
Raghu?
Raghu?
1 lakh rupees, count it.
Raghu? What is this? Where were you? Your phone wasn't
it's
reachable.
Nothing, how is Dhanak? Did you see her? How is she doing? Tell me. Hey, tell me. Say something, okay?
Her condition is stable.
I hope you heard the doctor. Huh? Now you tell me what happened to your hand. Why was your phone unreachable?
Thank you, doctor. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Is she conscious now?
Yes, Lam. Where are you both coming from? His hands. I'm asking you something. Answer me. What happened to Raghu's hand?
Raghu burnt his body. He risked his life to save Dhanak. By God's grace, Raghu somehow survived. Just for Dhanak's sake.
What kind of fervor is this? What kind of craziness? Raghu has put his life at stake to save the life of Dhanak. It means he still loves Dhanak. His anger, his hatred, everything is a lie and it's all nonsense. He still has feelings for that Dhanak. He is not going to marry Maya. He won't do that.
I am fine. How are you? Today I felt that I have lost you.
I guess he recollected the 27 beatings that Mai suffered.
You will never get detached, Raghu. It seems the relationship between you and Dhanak is as strong as both of you.
You are Raghu, right?
Yes.
Stay with her this night. She may need you. She kept repeating your name when she was unconscious on the operation table. So it's better if you stay with her. My team will take good care of her. So you don't worry.
Very good, Mai. Vent out your anger on these vegetables. Because it doesn't matter how much you chop the vegetables, crush them or throw them into the pan on high heat. But they will never retaliate. Unlike other people. We can't really speak of others. When your own son doesn't value you at all. A little scratch on that wretched girl. And Raghu went crazy while trying to take care of her. He completely forgot about you. You got beaten up in the police station and he forgot about that. Isn't this the same person, Mai? The same person whom you were so proud of? The same person has completely disrespected you. Hey, your daughter-in-law being in the hospital makes him do all this? Then how will she make us dance to her tunes when she comes here? Raghu will lose his mind completely. Mai? Hey Mai, huh? You should pick up the habit of doing all these chores. Dusting the house, wiping, cleaning, chopping vegetables, everything, okay? It will help you in the future. Because if that Gujarati woman comes home, then your son, he will just stop caring about you. He won't even bother about your existence. Look how things have turned. The dawn of Dombivli can't even get attention in her.
In this world, for Raghu, nobody ever was nor will anybody be more important than his mother. Don't ever forget that Raghu agreed to marry you only because I want to make you my daughter-in-law. When one doesn't have any strength, then one shouldn't challenge the strongest one. Understood? Get up now and get lost from here. Go! Raghu and Dhanak's bond may be strong, but I am his first priority, and it will remain that way.
Your list of medicines is in this bag. I have written your dosage routine in it already. The doctor has asked you to take your medicines on time. Don't miss a single dose. Come here. Get some rest. I'll get some food for you.
If this is how you hate me, then how would you love me, Raghu? You have done so much for me. Why don't you just say that you still love me as much as you used to? Speak up, Raghu. If you do not love me, then why did you take that risk to save my life? If you do not love me, then why did you take care of me day and night in the hospital? If you do not love me and you want to get married to Maya, then what gives you the right to stand beside me at every point? Who am I to you? Answer me, Raghu. It's as important for you to question yourself about this as it's for you to answer me. If you don't do that before getting married to Maya, then the answer to this won't matter at all. Answer me.
Your phone.
Hello? Jain, sir. Okay, sir. I'll come back to work today itself. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
You just got discharged from the hospital and you want to go for work now? Is it important to go to work?
Is it important for you to stay away from me? Give me one opportunity, Raghu. Just one opportunity. I will make sure everything will be okay. I will love you so much that you won't have any reason to complain. You changed yourself and your whole life for me. Please give me one opportunity. Please do me a favor. Just give me a small place in your life. Please, Raghu. Please.
Mai, I need to talk to you about something.
Come here and sit with me.
Hey, but I need to.
Hey? I asked you to sit here near me. Come. Come on, sit here. Sit. Wait. Lift your hand. Do you know? Whenever a child gets hurt, it is the mother who cares the most. A child's pain is felt the most by the mother. Do you know why? Because she carries the child in her womb for 9 months. The child may get separated after being born, but the feeling, that never goes away. That is why a mother never forgets her son, but the son, he forgets his mother's pain in an instant.
What do you mean?
What?
I mean, I don't get it.
Let me explain it to you. Show me your hand. Come on. Put this here. The wound over here, Do you remember that? The police hit me 27 times. I got hurt here and on the back. I got hurt on the face too. Hey, come on, get up and apply it.
What?
Apply it on me, yourself.
What are
Come
you
on,
doing,
do
Mai?
it. Apply it.
Hey, what's going on?
Come on, take it.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Hey,
Come on, apply
leave
it
me.
here. Come
What's
on.
the matter with you? Leave me.
Apply the salt
Hey,
here.
let
Come
me go,
on.
Mai. What are you doing?
You are rubbing salt on my wounds. The pain you are inflicting now is more than the pain of this salt. Have you forgotten? The 27 canings?
Hey, what are you doing?
Your mother's insult? The police station, the handcuffs and the insult? Then
I remember everything.
why do you keep going back to that Dhanak? What's so great about her love that you forget my love for you? You love her. You love Dhanak so much. Huh? You're devoted to Dhanak while you dishonor me.
Have you gone crazy? There's no one more important than you. Huh? Look at me, okay? Once just see
Hey,
me.
forget it. Quit the act. I don't feel like talking to you.
Hey,
Silly man.
Mai, give me one last chance. I will prove it to you that I love you as much as you love me too, okay? I promise.
Okay, fine. I will give you one more chance. You have to make a decision now. A final decision. Do you want me or you want Dhanak?
Why would you say that, Mai? You cannot be replaced. Your words are like a command for me, okay?
Do you mean it? You won't break your promise? So swear on me, no matter what happens, you will get married to Maya. What happened? You want to back off? Look now. Remember every single beating that I suffered. Remember it. If you really love me, then get married to Maya and finish it off once and for all. Hey, Raghu. It's not your fault. It is all my fault. You aren't my son. You don't love me at all. Forget about it. I'm the one who feels that you love me. Raghu loves
I
me.
promise you. I promise you that I will definitely marry Maya. Don't ever say that again. That I am not your son.
Raghu.
Are you happy?
A lot.
Listen to me now. I will marry her for your sake. But I'll never be able to love her. You know why? Because you can fall in love only once. Sorry.
Where are you going, Raghu?
Hello? I want to talk to you as well. I'm coming.
What did Raghu say? He said that he can't.
Why are you getting so tensed? Your mother is alive. She will take care of everything. I'm yet to play with yours and Raghu's kids, yeah? Huh? I'm getting him married to you. We'll make him fall in love too.
If this is your hatred, then what is love, Raghu? If you do not love me, then why did you put your life at risk to save mine? If you do not love me, and if you want to get married to Maya, then why are you always there for me during all bad times? What am I to you? Raghu, I want to tell you that...
How am I related to you? Why did I save your life? Didn't you ask me all these questions? I'll answer all your questions today. The truth is that I still think about you. I still care a lot. There is something that still binds the two of us together. I cannot bear to see tears in your eyes. If you get hurt, then I can feel the pain myself. I don't know why, but it happens. If I think about separating from you, I feel very, very stupefied. I cannot stay away from you. The truth is that you are of great importance for me, Dhanak. Because I still love you very much, Dhanak. I love you, Dhanak. I used to love you earlier. I still do. And I will always do. Forever. You made a mistake. You made a huge mistake. But I could never hurt you at all. You have won, Dhanak. Your love for me has won. And I have lost. Because your love is misfortunate. Because even though it appears to have won, it is lost. I can never be yours. Come what may, okay? No matter how madly I am in love, I cannot leave my Mai. Mai comes first and foremost for me. And for what you did with Mai. You will be punished. It would have been better if Bappa had not let us meet each other. None of this mess would have happened then. All of our lives have been ruined now. I have one last request from you. Please don't come in front of me.
Do you really want that to happen, Raghu?
Yes, that's what I want. I don't want you to be there when I open my eyes. The chapter of our love ends now. I made a huge mistake by falling in love with you. And it would be better if you two go ahead. I'm very sorry, Dhanak. But I am helpless.